Ito po. At dito tayo, bumibili tayo ng mga halaman na yung malalaki na. Kasi, wala tayong maganda na yung malalaki na, di ba? Oh. Tignan natin yung mga binili ko. Oh. Ano pangalan ng garden farm na to? But I'm buying indoor plants. Para nang sa ganun is yung mga carbon dioxide sa bahay. Yung mga chemicals from the building materials. Ang ganda-ganda nito is ma-dissolve. Thank you so much. Ayan, tignan natin yung mga pinamili ko. And you tell me if they're expensive. So we're buying according to the recommendation of my sister. Okay. Yan. Ito, bumili tayo ng ganito. Yung parang inuud ang dahon. Sabi maganda daw to. Yan. Ganda kasi nakalagay na sila sa coconut toad. Yan. Mga indoor ang tinitignan natin. So, tignan natin yung nabili natin. Kasi later on na yung isikasuhin ko yung outdoor. Pero right now, hindi pa pwede. Okay. So, we're buying this. I'll tell you the name later on. Yan. Kasama with the paso. This is 750.
Naluto.
Tapos, anong tawag dito sa inuud? Adansoni ay. Yan daw. Yan yung ganyang kataas. 750. Tapos, ano ba yung akin? Where's mine? The tall one. This is mine, right? Is this mine? What do you call this? Dragon tail. Dragon what? Tail? Oh, yan. Dragon tail. Oh, yan. Oh, anong these are all mine? These are not mine. Parehas na yan, oh.
Hindi magkaiba te. Alam na ito, manang mura lang na ito. Padagdagan man lang ng natin kasi niya.
Oh, si yung ano yung sinasabi ng kapatid ko. Ayan. Ano niya na ganda?
Fiddle lime.
Fiddle?
Fiddle lime.
Fiddle.
This was 10,500 before.
Lime.
Plantitas time. But now, it's only 650. Di ko nga.
And this is mine too?
No, that's mine.
Ah, that's yours? Is this mine?
Yeah. Yes, this is yours.
Is it like...
Mayoy. This is mayoy.
Ah, mayoy.
Rare
Ah, okay. Uy, rare mayoy daw.
Tapos ito si green cerato.
Is that mine?
Yeah.
What you call this?
Green cerato.
Oh, green
And
cerato.
then this one, jungle fever. This was 15K before. Dagdagan nyo lang. Yung padagdagan to, hindi po niya.
Sige, oo, padagdagan ng mga soil, oh. Kasi kinukulang lahat sila ng soil.
Babarigate naman na.
And then is this mine or this is your, Shayla?
That's mine.
Oh, okay.
Kastoy ngayon kurso na danay kastoy ko kunakanya balin pang outdoor dito ako. No one the outdoor pa awam.
Hindi pa muna kasi grabe pa yung construction sa ano. At least kasi yung indoor nga talaga. Gusto ko yung hangin, the air quality.
This is panin ng daganan eh. Kuti-kuti.
It's the
Yala am tipis lilis una. Ayan, that's always one talaga nga the best.
Wala na, they're the one deciding for me because I don't know anything. I'm a vegetable gardener, not a...
This one is...
Syngonium niya?
Syngonium black.
Syngonium.
Ay, velvet.
Yan.
Oh, nagrabo yan.
So, pag gusto nyo mamili, dito lang po to sa...
See? Pwede na ako magtago kasi naka-green din ako.
Yan.
Punta kayo dito sa my Westcroft Garden. Mura lang mga plants.
Westcroft Garden. Croft. Oh, social. Ang spelling is C-R-O-F-T. Westcroft. Oh. Oh, British? Yeah, ang may-ari po, ipag-aari niya ang buong bundok. It's full of plants. Wow, nice. Nice. Tapos kasi I want to make a rooftop garden later on.
Look, this is nice. Pero wag ka munang kumunta. Later on, kasi talagang ayan mga yan.
Oh my gosh, they're so nice. Look at this. Ah. Yeah, later on, later on. Dito po tayo, yan oh. Westcroft Garden. And their price comparing to where I've been yesterday, like so much affordable here. Tapos, bibigyan daw niya ako ng giveaway na ganito.
Ay, wala siya, hindi niya.
Ayan.
Sino na birthday, Teresa? It's me. Ay,
Oh.
member ka niya. Paano? Ay na, hindi Jess. Paano ka ang birthday na tao? What? Ang mga nag...
Ang ganda oh, dito sa middle of the garden. Oh my gosh, look at that. I promise po, ang ganda-ganda talaga. Oh my gosh. This is what I want to do sa rooftop garden ko later. Ganyan oh. Ang ganda. Yeah. Palalagyan natin ng bubong na ganyan oh. Oh. Kasi wala tayong paglalagyan sa baba kasi limited ang space. Kaya gamitin natin yung rooftop. Sayang naman. Ang mahal-mahal ng gastos sa rooftop na yon. So gamitin natin, di ba? Wow, it's really nice. So we're gonna have some coffee. Lalaki pa yan na black label. Oh. Oh, mayroon pang siyang contraption kasi mahihirapan ka mag-pour sa bigat. Kaya magkape po tayo. Oy, what is this kang kanang?
Linatikan.
Linatikan. Yes.
Ano nga dito?
Oh my guys, nakakatuwa talaga. Ayan oh. May mga lemon na may lemon plantation siya. So bibili tayo ng lemon tree na itatanim natin. Oh, ayan oh, ang lalaki ng lemon. This is like good variety.
Oh yes. Talaga.
Hello. Oo.
Ay, kapadero si Teresa kaslakan niya. Oo na. Correct. Tatawa nga rin. Ay, wala.
Ayan oh, daming bunga. Oh. Yan, magbibideo lang ako. Yung kapatid ko ang nag-harvest. So you're already harvesting even though it's still green?
Yes. It's already ripe.
So it will turn yellow later on?
I don't think this is the yellow variety. It's green variety.
Oh no, don't do
Green
that.
variety.
Like there's a lot.
Yeah.
But you know, we're so tall. We're vertically We're vertically challenged. Ayokong sirain yung ano. Oh, wow. Ang sarap kaya nito na ilagay mo sa tea.
Oh, true. Pag ano mo ng salmon.
Slice with at lalo na nagpapakulo ako ng guyabano leaves and then I'm gonna squeeze some of this.
Pagkasya mo.
Oh, kasi di ba it whitens? Oh. Ayan, bibili tayo ng ganito, ng lemon tree. Tigwa 1,200 daw. Pero ano, may bunga na kunap, di ba, Adeng? Oh, may bunga na. Kaya okay yon yung 1,200 na yon. Na may bunga. O yan, ang daming ninenok ng kapatid ko. That would be like around 6 kilos. Like isang buong bundok po talaga ang kanyang garden center. Like it's so nice. Yeah, oh wow, I wish I have something like this. Imagine, ay pag meron akong ganito, hindi na ako babalik ng Amerika. Hold on, here. Here. It's too heavy na pag ano.
Kaya nga, baka natin. Ano, nagadun San Teresa, imbisi na ako. Kakahiyan naman.
Sino ba kasi may sabi sa'yo libre yan, babayaran mo. di kapsat ko, nag-i-enjoy na magpitas.
Ito ang bayaran mo, manang ah.
Isang ano na to. Ay, grabe talaga, guys. Like, oh. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Kaya nga, ito talaga ang kailangan ko. Ito talaga yung kailangan ko, yung relaxing activities, relaxing environment. Yung hindi stressful. This is like, it's so good for the soul. Talaga. Nako talaga, promise. You know, nagpipitas ka ng ganyan. Oh, grabe. Hindi ko nasasabihin ng net worth ni Teresa. Baka mamaya ano. Diba? But it's, oh, man. It's really amazing. Oh, yan oh. Pero I'm like, kahit pinagdikit-dikit niya yung mga ano, parang mga 3 meters apart lang. Pero ano,
Close together talaga.
yeah, they're kind of like, they're so like, mabuhaghag. Like, a lot of leaves. So, the same variety rin ang bibenta mo sa akin, Ading?
Sure.
Okay.
Kasi this is the best talaga na
Yeah. So, would you rather plant this in the direct to the soil or I will put it in a pot?
you can put in a pot if you don't have a big area.
I have in the back, but which is better?
Direct sun?
Yeah.
Okay, you can put it in the
As long as...
one in the pot and one in the ground.
pero kasi mas maganda yung magkatabi sila because of the the pollination
Okay.
Pero okay lang siya na nakapot. Kasi I wanna put it on the rooftop.
I used to have a calamansi in my rooftop, which I'm harvesting 10 kilos every
Oh,
6
wow!
months. And then I have 2 lemon also, which is
So it's nice pa rin doon, ha? How tall should I put the pot?
maybe the price of 700 pesos. I have it there, but if you have the round,
Yeah, I have that.
it's okay.
Okay. So, ang mga bougainvillea niya. Yan. Tingko man okay nga tati kita dadakal nga bougainvillea na mat. Ha? Tingko man tayo dadakal nga bougainvillea na. Something like, I want something like that big paso. Kasta. Tapno nandun lang. Ayoko ng maraming crowded. Na baka may nagtatagong ahas. I don't like snakes. Hala, baka iniwan mo dyan baba. Look how nice this looks one. Nag-spread out siya. Wow. Oh. Pintas. Ang ganda. Mga outdoor. Ang ano lang kasi, bougainvillea is already like very common dito. So,
Una tayo sulot ti ag tribe manang.
oh no, I bought a bougainvillea. I bought yesterday. Ganito ang gusto ko, yung malalaking paso. Yan. Yeah, you have to give them the orchid. Look at the orchids. I love orchids. This is what my plants. Yeah, I have those. I have those. I have this. These are like ordinary. That's ordinary. But this one is not. Yeah. Size of the flowers. Ayun oh, yun ang maganda. Yun ang maganda. That one, this one, that color. That one, that. Grabe. Ay na, isang bundok punong-puno ng halaman. She's so, napaka-green ang thumb niya. Ito. Ayan. Pag may hidden garden ka na ganito sa bahay mo, sa yard, But I want to do like this rooftop ko. And then in the morning, you can go up there and have coffee with all these beautiful, nice plants. Very, very, ang lamig-lamig yung sa pakiramdam.